Hello again. I wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on how to make a poll for your Zoom class. It's this cool new feature of the upgraded Zoom that we all have. So I'm going to start again on the website, zoom.us, and I'm logged in. I'm on my profile page. I'm going to go over here on the left to meetings, and then my personal room, because this is the room that I use every time. You all should have a personal room. And then see where it says details and poll. I'm going to go to poll. It says you have not created any yet. So I'm going to add a poll here. So in order to use a poll, I need to have it created in advance. So I'm going to say, what kind of ice cream is your favorite? And I'll say chocolate, vanilla, or rocky road, and save. Okay, now if I wanted to edit it, I could come in here, I could add as many questions that I wanted, and that would be my poll. So once I have this saved, now I'm going to go over here into my Zoom room. Hello, and I'm going to go to polling. And notice here is my poll question here. And when I go to launch poll, that'll send that poll question out to students, out to the other participants of my class. So as you can see, I can keep it open, and as it's open, everybody will see this poll on their screen and they can answer this question. And then when I'm ready, I can end my poll. Notice right now I have 0 people in my room, but if I had people, it would tell me how many people voted. So I could give them 30 seconds to make a choice, and then when I was done, I could say end poll. I could share results with the class, or I could relaunch my poll question. So I hope that's helpful on how to make a poll. Remember, you have to go online first to make the poll, and then you would share it in your Zoom session. Thanks so much.